Welcome to another episode of Racing to Learn. We are a nonprofit that uses radio control to get kids excited about math and science. Now we've got our ProLine Pro MT 4x4. This is a 1/10 scale monster truck that has 8th scale drivetrain components, and we've run into a problem here. We've got some binding in the steering. You guys can check out the entire playlist of our videos in the link in the video description. But we've got some binding in the steering here, and we're trying to get to the bottom of it. Unfortunately, while trying to remove these what do you call it? These cap screws for the pillow ball suspension mounts on the front here, we stripped out one of the hexes, and I think the root cause of this is because we used super glue to make sure that this cap screw wouldn't come out, which has been a problem for these Pro MTs. Now, my first instinct was to use a screw extractor here to get this out, but I think that glue is just really holding it to the plastic there. So a quick search on the internet yielded a couple of results. Now, people use the same super glue on wheels and tires here to fix the tires onto the wheels, and a common way of removing that glue or weakening the bond is to heat this up. Now, at about 330, 350 degrees, the super glue or CA glue will start to weaken. So that's one option, is to just take this off and put it into, let's say, an oven or something. That's probably the route that we're going to do versus using brute force on this. So, because we've already tried that and it didn't work. So, a couple things to note here is, we're going to just attack this here and take off as much of the hardware as we can here. And we can probably get those pillow ball screws out by, I'm just going to put this hardware to the side here so we don't lose it. You can actually take these pillow ball screws out by inserting a hex driver into the screw here, and if this is not the appropriate size, we've got to get another driver here. So that will take the actual, what we're trying to do here is take the actual pillow ball out. Now, because we don't want to put this whole truck in the oven. We want to put as little as we possibly can into here, and this will actually help us to further diagnose the suspension binding issue as well. You can see that pillow ball coming out here, the pillow ball screw. And folks have been upgrading these screws as well, but we haven't had a problem with ours yet. So anyways, we're going to give this approach a shot here. We'll take these parts out. Oh, it looks like that screw's probably already out there. Oh, just a little bit more. All right, there we go. So you can see that screw is now out. We're going to do the same with the bottom and just disassemble this a little bit more here. Let's see how, now that we've got this, oh, yeah. So now the suspension is moving freely, so it definitely is the bottom pillow ball here. So you can see the top just loose there. The bottom pillow ball that is binding. So, yeah, again, not sure how that happened. Once we get this fully apart, we'll be able to diagnose it, but at least we know that it's not the bell cranks now or the right side of the steering that is the issue. It's this bottom left pillow ball joint. So thanks again for watching. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks again for watching.